Hello. In this video, I want to keep exploring this whole idea of stagecraft that I've talked about in some of my previous videos. And today we're going to talk about these hands. What do you do with them when you're presenting? Let's start with what you don't do with them. You don't wring them. Too many people I see stand out on stage just wringing their hands, and it basically just screams, "I'm nervous." Try to let your hands relax. Try to let your hands become part of your storytelling as you're speaking. Use your hands for animation. It helps you look relaxed, but also use them as part of your storytelling. So for example, if you are talking about, we're going to go past, present, future, or past, present, future, depending on which way you're looking, you can use them to talk about size, something growing. You can talk about something going over there. You can use your hands to actually help illustrate what you're saying. The other thing I'd say is try not to use your hands, bring them together too much. Sometimes I will see people use them in front of them. I know I do it from time to time. Try to think of your hands, though, as repelling magnets. So every time they come together, they get pushed apart. And your hands actually should be out to one side. Now, as I've said in previous videos, if you're presenting on screen and you want to use your hands, you've got to remember to have them up here at sort of shoulder height, because then they're in shot. If all you can see is down here and you're just seeing a little bit of hand movement coming into the bottom of shot, it's really annoying. It's really irritating. Bring them up, use them in shot, or put them out of sight. Although to me, that then makes me look very static and very still, and I think far less relaxed. So personally, I prefer to use my hands, but then that's me, that's my style of presenting. So think about your hands as being part of your storytelling. Don't wring them. Don't just clasp them. And also don't hide them behind your back. It's a really stern, slightly head teacherly look. Bring them in front of you, open, so shoulder width or slightly further apart. Use them for animation, explain things, you can be excited. You might want to warn people about something. Use them as part of your storytelling and presenting. And they can really help to make you look confident and relaxed. And they can really help you to tell the story in a much more engaging way. And on that note, just a little addendum, I would say try to go hands-free when you're presenting. So for example, you notice today I've got a lapel mic on. If you're on screen, I would certainly recommend getting one of those. But if you're on a big stage, try to arrange in advance to have a lapel mic rather than a handheld mic, because that immediately means you've got something that you have to hold in front of your mouth. And if you are going to use script notes, you've heard me say this before, cue cards are often the way to do it. But once you've looked at them, put them in your back pocket, tuck them inside. Sorry, I've still got the mic in my hand for some reason. Put them in your back pocket, tuck them inside your jacket, get rid of them, put them down on a table even. Talk animatedly, talk to your audience, use your hands, then just pick them up, refer to them when you need them, put them back in the pocket or wherever. So try to stay hands-free. It means you can use your hands as part of your presenting and part of your storytelling. So that's hands. It's tempting to say next time we'll talk about feet. Actually, maybe we should talk about feet. That's a good thought. That's only just occurred to me. Okay, we'll talk feet next time. So if you've come to this video via my email newsletter, then while you're here, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell down below so you get notified when I publish new content. If you found this via YouTube, in the description below, you will find a link to my website and to my email newsletter, where you get a fortnightly tip from me and a whole load of great content from around the web. So I hope that's been useful. Use your hands, and I'll see you next time.